Okay, today I'm riding my 1975 CB200T. It's funny, they must have sold a lot of these motorcycles, or just Hondas generally, because people say, oh, I had a Honda just like that whenever I see anybody at a gas station or I'm anywhere. Caution, horse country. I already passed a couple horses. Wow, that's an old Dodge. Oh, Natural Beauty Road, 3 miles. Let's take this way. Oh, geez, squirrel! Oh. And I almost got him, or he almost got me. There's another one up here. Jeez. Sometimes it's good just to drive around and not have a plan, find new places to ride. Wow, this is neat. I like it. It's a cool barn. Some more white pillars. I like these white pillars. I don't know why. Why do I like roads with white pillars? Oh, Fox Nature Preserve. Let's check that out. Looks like just a small area here. That's kind of cool. What is that back there? Let's check what that is. Lost Lake Nature Park. Doesn't look like I cut the grass here very often. Cool little pit stop here. Cranberry Lake Park. Oh, so they have a trail here. Yeah, I came through here on the way out, actually. There's a cool little barn. Keep out. This pretty much concludes our micro adventure for today. I'm going to pull Circle K, where they have ethanol-free gas.